Adwuma nyame adom. With me from a sister son to be a guy. Fan Jemu Momo. Straight up.
Where do you go? Or your guy? Sister son to be a guy.
As the official PR for Ghana Black Stars. Me ton sa for me and I yanko support you mo. Sad dia na. Oh, Black Stars today. Oh, omegu any who bobo. Oh, Black Stars today. Besha what go da. Oh, Black Stars who school graduate o join team ben. Ye what school Kumasi Academy yen. Kobisa ni bobo. Kobisa bomoku. Ni bobo. E ma mi share alo go bi. Ma fa bo na me nan yesi fa cha adwa bayo. Ma fa bo adwuma no anye serious. Se me fa ni serious. Se me bobo en international team no me bo number 7. Ka national team no me bo number 7. E dia legu o. E dia ni atro. Bon ye bebo. Kofi ampado ne me manager. Ye bebo bon no. Nta no pay me be phone lines. Wo be friend wa share wa responsibly. Scores. O score na pedia. Wo skabidi. Me na make acho. Oh yes, ampado be cheska. E pai 2-1, a year 2-1. 100 Ghana BDM, 50 Ghana mo, credit mo, the guy's soap, the guy's scrub, the guy's face cream, mo. Now when some boy is na rival, now when I say, I'm in the spirit as a Ghanaian, and then we are fire for 5 minutes. I'm in the spirit as a Ghanaian, the Ghanaian blood is flowing. The red stands for the blood. Yellow, golden. The green, trees everywhere. The black, we are proudly black. It's what you're doing. Jania bre, kwasiada 8 p.m. Ya ha boys na ho fama. Wo mo de call, de hwe. Mo kobo match. Alata for ma cheche se de mo kwaja aware. Ah? Yani abreed this dey bia me ka se yani abreed this year. Enti ama ma me hwe me nkrofo enkroma spirit no e be share boys ni mu. E ma ye hu say yes, enkroma spirit no ye adwuma. Hwesani am mrantia no e see from e rekronim she bra na hwantoma ye frantoma ni say oh Ghana Black Stars. Me and how my family mercy about the rest. Na hwe Ghana. Na de na mumu bi mo hye nko as a school for BJC. As a school for BP kit. Yes ton kro. Ghana pe and etimi a ton you chrome shake it. Give it up. Frank Bonsema for Ghana for the Bonsema. Na mesramo Ghana Black Stars. Nyase wa shekente ni say no nobody way nipa opam ye nipa odi to me buy obaje budget obaje ba nyase ma shekente mo afra ne kama e de ko na e ma mo fan mo ho aye fresh boys no dey play ball ye mejeje mo so makogu ye de ba ase oh me dem mo ji de omumu ada are you brothers omunim anyo omo a Gideon mentioning. What are you saying? Me jimu di bat mamu mfra kentene for style. Mo kwa boboro. Be hwefie. Ya ta mwachi. Anopay Idris Baba. Wase wo hye ko ma se no. Oh yes. Just watch ya. Just watch ya. Ya nyina ya ta wachi afiefo ta wachi. Ghana Black Stars. Wake up. Mamu mami nu abema Patrick Songo enye binka. Mamu mami nu abema Songo enye binka. Momo adi oba be jina so more fire. Because ye ni abre. 030221170123. Scores. O shampadu 100 cedis ma. Scores ne paya ampadu 50 ma. E paya ampadu so be cho credit. Frame mama scores. Encourage the boys. Encourage the boys. Men persons are standing. Black Stars what we come at Didi obi anka say fasting Didi. Sister standing Black Stars there. Yeah obi aba homa so. Obi aba so. Kwhwe we bra na hu ye ni bra ye ko Afcon no. Yeah, Quafco, yeah, Quacravia, your room. Boys, one more motion quala picket, no. Show them you are from Ghana. Show them you are from Ghana. Your president is a Gufuado. And your incoming president is John Mahama. And I was say, Monsha de Mercy Siaba will say Ghana Black Stars. Yatamochi. Stand up, stand up. Baba. Obi bisa say case lies where do you base actually? I have an base.
I'm based in Rotterdam.
Hey.
Rotterdam, yeah.
You say me bisa Pedro. We actually
So I'm based in the Kumasi of the Netherlands.
Oh, I see.
The second city.
That's beautiful. Yeah. Your song is not ordinary. My boss say a man manifest vibe. Me so man me fela kuti vibe. And that means why academic? I say why do you wish me why? And they make one.
It's a mixture.
But they make what
fusion, Afro fusion.
But make us out what I say. Oh no, he doesn't understand. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry, I try.
I'm so sorry. I mean, your song is not ordinary.
Oh, you don't feel like that?
No, my boss said it's giving him the manifest vibes, but it's giving me the Fela Kuti vibes. Where from this whole inspiration?
But the song is basically about money. We're too focused on money at this moment. I feel like that, and that's what the song is about. So. Yasika, you would say it will be about a girl or something, but it's actually about the money and the fact that we are too focused on it and we don't connect it to nature, we don't connect it to the other aspects of it.
What language do you speak in Rotterdam?
What I speak there?
What language do you speak?
Dutch, yeah. We speak Dutch.
Because we're part of Nuchino. Akoya Alice good, Alice Clark, kind of Dutchy style, Bisano. Did you rap in Tree here or was Dutch?
Oh, so there's some Tree words there.
We didn't hear.
Okay.
We didn't feel the Tree. We just felt about sing it. Let me see. Can you sing it along for me to just hear the words?
It'd be like the Mepacho is in there. Mepacho. That's what's in there.
KK.
Masao Mepacho. Esam Gana Esam Masao Mepacho. Kasida Texman is Mado. Oh Jessica. Oh Jessica. So small.
Okay. So why do you want to do music in general? Why do you want to do music? How long have you been doing music?
I do music for a long time. I love music.
For how many years now?
Oh, I've been born with music, so I've been doing it for a long time.
So since infancy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
How is it going? What do you want to achieve with the music?
Oh, we're playing on Sunday. We're playing on Sunday, plus 233.
Okay.
So I play with the full Ghanaian band.
Oh, okay.
The trumpet you hear is also a Ghanaian. So
you want to give shout outs to the trumpeter?
Yeah, Peter Samoa. Yeah.
It's a very deep now.
Yeah.
Peter Samoa. What show are you having at plus 233?
Yeah, so we have a full show. I come with a full band. Reynolds the Gentleman is also joining.
So it's your showcase live?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Definitely.
You are the headline act?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
which other artists you have on board aside the band?
So Reynolds the Gentleman is joining.
Okay.
And then we'll play a full set, 2 hours straight. So
what time is it starting?
9 p.m.
9 p.m. till Mama calls.
Yeah.
So I believe it's going to be year of return kind of show because it was bad.
Yeah. And then you get some more vibes. So you get some Afrobeat vibes, some high life, a bit of hip hop, a bit of soul.
So your music, what genre is your music?
I call it Afrofusion.
Afrofusion.
So,
okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any other song? Is it an album or is it a single?
This one is on the EP. It's called Uprise.
Okay.
But I think for you would probably like Taking It Home more. That's more your vibe. But yeah, I didn't know.
Vibe,
yeah, I know your vibe. But this one is not your vibe. But that's okay.
No, I love music. I love it. Yeah. I love the whole vibe. Are you on TikTok? Are you on social media? Would you?
Sure.
Do you mind sharing your social media handles with us?
Sure. It's K-Slice, KAYSLICE, and then music. And then you can find me on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, Facebook. You'll find me there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're currently doing just music, or you adding something to it? Are you a student, or you are 100% musician?
I'm 100% musician, but for me, I'm a writer in general. So I write poems also.
Okay.
And, I I like lyrics and I like to work with wordplay. So Yasika, I like.
No wonder my boss said
things.
you sound like Manifest. He likes wordplay. Have you met him yet?
Small, but you know, for me, I just like to play with words and make.
Which Ghanaian artists are you looking forward to feature? Who's your favorite?
I like Black Sheriff.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay, that's dope. Aside Sheriff, anybody else? He's a new school. I mean, the old school. Anybody else?
Sarkodie is nice.
Okay,
I like Sarkodie.
okay. So it won't be bad to have Black Sheriff and Sarkodie on the same.
Kelvin Boy is also nice.
Oh, okay.
I like his vibe.
Mention them. I want my artists to know they are working. Who
Yeah.
else? Yeah, you gotta mention them for them to know they are working and all that. Who again?
Let me name someone else. I like a lot of the producers also. There are a lot of good
like
producers.
Kill Beats, Kewa. Who's your favorite producer in Ghana?
Like Nimanche, that the guy, he's doing well.
Okay,
He's
that's
doing
dope,
well.
that's dope.
I like his vibe.
But on the
I
real,
like his vibe.
Black Hole, Fichawa ain't bad crowd. Did you hear that?
I'm not sure about that one.
I mean, having Black Hole on a song, on a track, won't be bad at all.
Definitely.
It's going to just work on it. Reach out to the manager. Can you give me something small, some a cappella, something, anything else from the EP? Okay, slice to the well.
Okay. Small.
Okay.
Like what do you want to hear? What type of energy you feel like?
Anything, this thing, whatever from the EP, I would just enjoy it myself, yeah.
Okay. Something small for the boys.
For the boys. I love that. For the boys. I love that. I love that, Kay. Give it to me. Kay Slice, dear friend. Rotterdam. No, free Netherlands. Or Ghana, how much you plus 233. Nyame Adom Ahosepe at 9 p.m. Or would you make the hour plus 233 on a band? We know Afrofusion, foreign affairs in Tibacho. Let's go support him. Hour plus 333. Honor. Is he giving some? Do you have any contacts?
Sure.
Can you share with people who want to contact you? I'll come to Rotterdam and I'll link up. What do you say?
Then we'll link up. Yeah,
man. I'll come over. I'll come and give you 3 lessons.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Any contacts you want to share?
Contacts or just socials?
Socials.
Okay.
They should contact you on socials.
Socials is okay.
All right, just give me some free a cappella.
Okay. Catch my flight, living that high life. You won't get drive if you won't get drive. Caught my drip, better catch my vibe.
Yeah.
Hold up, save up, fetch my guys. I'ma need my food, rep my mind. I'm a pound fufu if you fry my rice. I'ma be off grid, but I'm on my grind. It feels I've been building up for all my life. Slice some in my zone right now.
Oh yeah.
Fetch it from the soul and mind. Pop it up if you don't mind. I'ma take my time to just unwind. Take it like it's a gold mine. And my vision's vivid. Yeah, I flip them blinds. And my vision's vivid. Flip them blinds.
You too
Bringing
good,
it back.
man.
Yeah, we don't
See you at the
rewind.
Grammys. You're too good.
Okay, thank you.
You'll get there. Don't you believe it?
Sure.
I love the way you present yourself, fully Ghanaian. Your shorts, your trousers, your top, everything is Ghanaian.
You get me.
I love it. Nice meeting you. We're putting you on Fufu Party.
Hey.
Just match.
There
You
you
love
go.
Fufu?
What's your favorite food?
Fufu.
Fufu.
Kelewele.
Okay, then we meet.
Fufu Party match, seat match.
Abankwine.
Thanks for coming,
Yeah, talk Abankwine with me. Talk Abankwine with me.
Fufu. We're gonna enjoy. Case like near Friday. This is the Sunday be a guy. We'll be going to P.R. Frank Christopher Thomas. Omugina a guy. Most of my new name. Day. Yadi mo besi. Yamaya do my chuada. Black Stars. Nyomu ye gina de bedroom ko ye ko. Me am pedu ye ko hosisia. So Sava Trabia Messi. Oh, we are coming. Okay. Yeah, the Django energy drink. Any P work 3P garlic mixture. Yeah, the sa a dray 3P garlic mixture. Baho. Na footballers no. Obi e here bi. Na ne ho ayedin. Samsung yeah, the Django energy drink. Ghana Black Stars. Omono mfa mo ball no enhya woton. I'm the guy's queen. We share mo kroma. Fabo mfa me say balls are my crowd.